Welcome back to another video. Today I wanted to run a build and showcase how much fun Hitchhiker can be at level 3 with increased bleed damage with his ability. Now you do have a couple tracks you can follow here. For the sake of this video, I'm going to be running all bleed damage attributes for my main attack. Just gives me increased damage upon victims stepping in my traps, and at level 3, victims will continue to take damage over a small period of time. Pairing this with the dinner bell, which gives me increased stamina when those victims step in my traps, and venom for, once again, accrued damage of HP after stepping in a trap for 15 seconds. Now obviously it's much better at level 3 for some of these perks. It does not make a huge difference in game. I'm going to be just running extra savagery, aka more damage. Feral's going to be my third perk, and here are my attributes. Of course I'm practically max as stamina goes, which is amazing. There's no worry in the world for chasing victims, and as you level up Feral for extra savagery, I will continue to use those attribute points for stamina instead, as I will already have that increased savagery for extra damage. But let's see how it goes in the open lobbies. Let's go! I mean, it could be anywhere. It's a 7-second stun. Did this man just step in the same trap again? That's hilarious. He literally bled out. Yep. See, that's what the bleed damage does right there. If I were to give you guys an example of how good the bleed damage is, it just showed you right there. That is the perfect case of what happens when people step in my traps. Amazing at level 3. Amazing. GG. That's hilarious. Oh, he just took off my trap. He's over there, I see him. Oh yeah. I was saying, like, they just die, man. It's crazy. They just bleed out. That's why this build is so good, man. It's crazy. Alright, let's do it. Pew. Well, we do have a cook on our team, so it's gonna be a little bit easier to pull this off. Put one here. Definitely important to have good trap spots. Let's trap up for fuse. One there. A little bit tougher on Slaughterhouse because there's so many exits for each side. Should be 2 spots over here. One might be in the corner. Oh no, it's in that corner over there. Look at that, wow. It's right where my trap was. I completely walked past it. Go. And then we'll put a trap on the main door. Looks like Cook is chasing someone. Go. Push her back down to basement. Get out of here. Oh, I've snared someone. It's a good working trap. I don't know which one it was though. Looks like it was just the one that led outside the crack. Bro was struggling to heal. Okay, let's go reset that. Okay, he's taking bleed damage. That's good. I'll reset this trap. Good. This one's still active. Perfect. Alright. Okay. The trap's still up. All three of them are still good and going. They haven't been disabled. I love Hitch's one-liners. They're really funny. Let's see. Only struggle about Slaughterhouse is the valve, to be honest, since you have to go downstairs for it. Another snare go off. They're all taking bleed damage. Holy crap, so much usage. It's working so well so far. There we go. Let's go. Nice. Okay. Let's go reset that trap where Sunny was. Cook was able to get pick up the kill. Looks like it was an easy kill for him. Jeez. Bleed damage. Crazy. It's got some good value for sure. Alright, check my other two traps across the map. Oh, I gotta reset that trap. It looks like someone either closed it or stepped in it. Oh, hi Anna. Oh, I wish this was set. That'd been perfect. Not sure if she stepped in it or she just turned it. She just disarmed it. It's okay. I'll chase her for a bit. I have more stamina than her. That's crazy. Oh, I juked her out here. And I won that close encounter. Let's go. I'll take that. That's a good game right there. 4-step traps. We won a close encounter. GG, man. Wow. That bleed damage does so well. GG, y'all.